menim say Nyankopon asem no ebetumi adru ba bia ya namo entimi nru ho. Inti even though I can't go everywhere to evangelize, I can still reach out to many through songs. Inti that is exactly what I'm doing. And as I can say people are still being blessed through the songs that God is blessing us with. Yes, I'm so passionate about Nyamiasem. It's part of me.
It's all over your face.
Oh, thank you.
It's here for Mumbra Facebook number, Sister Salomey, as I said, it's all over your face. Who know we say Nyamiasem man or be Nyamiasem Numana or beto. That we are no me or do back way. Or is it against
you? Do.
I know, but like what, you know the love I'm talking about, that kind of love music.
Love, I mean, you can't take Jesus or you can't take God out of love. He's the center. Or don't know, no, it's in the so he's love. And he said, "Oh, say, you donna, nyamede doye no, and when I extend it to yenuano." So what you say?
Yeah.
And he said, "Yes, I donna."
But you only now say a Macabraham.
Bacha honey.
Oh, any anymore. Any anymore. Was it last week?
Last week.
Yeah, no, within the week. Week we more. Yeah, I think like Tuesday, right? The interview not baby out here.
Wow.
Yeah, that could be so we are not surprised. All right, there was some more call Mr. Salomey. Like you do your home Kumasi, you rightfully say you'll be out to nyame hunyum. How did Odian start now? Be na himself, even the secular artists are in him, no. Be na started free churches. Odian started say, is it that you saw a talent in you and now join a church group and I say, oh, that's sorry, Munti and now join a group in Muna or the who they also beat me. How did your own come?
Okay, I don't know. Nyankopon obo bia on say o wadom odi adua obia mu obi de teacher obi de evangelist obi de prophet enti wo hu de entem a na nyame aboa na otumi an na cha ntem na ehu nimde bia wo hia say you bring on board to bring that gift out no na waye enti menyini ba nyina me hu say na interest no wo ho. The talent was there enti ekwa sorry na me friends bi yetoto nyom ya try edini akoto ni ade enti right from JHS in any worship time na yekoto nyom SS imikoya san 20 adishe nyina me chiamo yes na afi ye honso ni atoto nyom ye joining group Triumphant Melodians. I guess they are still there and now you call tech in so KNUSC and also see dia nko share pensa ti pensa nso na nyum to folk no na meka ho nyame adoma me be ye the assistant music and drama director and from there next adom no the more you use it the more it grows. Intina a course until after school me worry ye and then after some years na Yankopo my was a marathon, so we had to work on an album and then on 2016 we came out with the first album.
What was the title?
Ebebemu.
Ebebemu.
It shall come to pass.
I know said definitely more getting most of my inspiration from Bible. Any maybe personal experiences and I say for testimonies of my sorry near the other. But what inspired your title? For
the first one?
Yeah. Of that album.
Of that album, okay. Nipa ya brabo no. Obia wa sembia or shese nyankopon. Obeya mano. Obia we bisadi anya bako mienu bi. But through it all no, if you trust in God and you trust in His word, when Him say irrespective of challenges, God's word stands firm.
Okay.
Inti through it all, bebem. The nyame aka fa won bebem se beka da krokra ma wawu a sa asem kro no e bia na da bi cry parliamentarian na we minister bia na we president bi of Ghana enso be bia what currently no ensure wo dachi. But if you hold on to that particular word e bia na our current situation and depict it, but holding on to that word will make you know say God has a plan for you and then ebebem se nyame na aka kwade bebem
nyame na aka kwade bebem. But I want to know with your own, how was it like? Is it said now what baby? Like you rightfully said, it could be say probably a current situation might not depict or future, but what did you see that made you choose that title? We all know say we all have that hope. Once a baby will be one more or could be bim. Now cause do we there. Example, I have a friend we were nearly robbed or when we got saved, the first thing he said was, I wish I had a gun.
Oh.
And carry on not was how was your own life?
Intermediate, I know say this work that I started is a long journey.
Okay.
Is a ministry. I don't see it as maybe to entertain people. Looking at the bigger picture and starting from that particular time,
okay.
If you don't trust God, the journey would let you give up, because
so basically it was like your musical journey will come true.
It will. So we're telling the future from that particular time.
All right. And that was 2016.
2016.
So alongside the line 2016 of first album Abba, I know definitely was launched in church.
Yes, please.
Right.
Yes, please.
I'm on for some.
That time they're not launching, no.
Yeah, launch was sorry them. Not see so.
Yeah, not see so.
Obeton see this kakra. Na ya bar for the kakra so amount. How did it go?
It went well. I remember launching. I had my master on the bill. Mama Henrietta Edu. Okay, no.
Oh, okay.
So she was also on the bill, and then Tongues of Fire. Almost bill. So it was a nice program. No Church of Pentecost. So I'm sorry. No was Thanos. So that's a particular time. No Thanos. No.
All right. So 2016 till now, 2015. How many? That means roughly almost like 10 years, right?
9 years.
9 years. 10 years. How after one album nearby? What's my another album? And I said it has been singles all along.
It has been singles into 2019, and I did another single by.
Okay, that's after 2016 album, no?
After 2016 album, that was an album of 8 songs.
8 songs.
And at 2019, I did single by.
Okay.
Then we Medi.
It
was a prophetic song.
Okay.
For that song, we're just declaring over our lives. I think it's no. We're declaring God's word over our lives. If God says that we will prosper, irrespective of the current challenge. We will prosper. It doesn't matter the challenges that I go through. Progress. I strongly believe say so we're just speaking God's word over our lives. Because he him say Onyame asem say odi to me ashe tetrema so. Also life and death lie in the power of the tongue. Those that love it will eat the fruit thereof. Until we're just exercising the power, the life-giving power in the tongue over our lives. And that was 2019.
2019. So now we have one album, one single.
And at 2022, another single, Masideni.
Okay.
Near your boy.
Very beautiful song.
And at 2025. Yede onyame nyansafo enso aba
onyame nyansafo yebekwa akoti onyame nyansafo but before yebekwa akoti na tiefo ene Sister Salomey Nketiah na Edwin Komo. She's a gospel musician or starting a journey professional because of her first album was 2016 till now. And roughly we have an album and 3 songs. There's a new one that Obe promote here but as at now you did the music journey community maybe I want and be and short no video no sa na join you bet me so join your live on Facebook no about be and any voice nibi na or the show home crying area because Christmas is just along the way and in crying share kwan say you share that is where the number fee number 2 nyam my own shame crying na yam find the brunya. Let's get back to young common now. We have a new one at Baby release.
Yes, please.
Okasa nyina no, even though you've been mentioning how enye easy nyame adom na wabedru ane ade. Mostly we know say moto this direction. One of the questions say nyame adwuma na wo ye, nyame adwuma na wo ye. And you know we've been hearing stories and issues about instrumentalists and mumpa motonyom no say as of mu bi mo ebuki mo for shows near the and so mo do mo to mo dwumadie so asori mo a omuntu amoka. Have you ever experienced something like that?
With the issue of you not being paid or being paid after administration or invitation, no. And no, fine, we all have our own individual experiences, but also obiane direction and yankopon pese oko. And I said the nyame pese oye.
Okay.
Until there are some artists that nyame moment say they shouldn't charge. And no ye or more personal thing.
Yeah.
And nyame ni woni some common dia. I mean, the toll line now they are charge it. But if God says that you shouldn't charge, he knows how to take care of you. Onim how will be provided the resources you need for that ministry. Me, I don't charge.
You don't charge?
No.
Wow.
I don't charge. Me, be cried that say we invite me, say, okay, Meju say, I don't charge.
Okay, so have this philosophy and me follow. Let's say it keeps coming. You might say be about bakumi numi and santino. Oh, you when you check your schedule, you get a time to be able to put it in. What of situation now it becomes something that more people are now using you because now your songs are out there. Mama for resonating. So now you're getting shows day in, day out, which is taking much of your time. How would you deal with such things?
So if it is taking much of your time, then I say, oh man, not be your full-time job.
Okay.
So if that is going to be your full-time job, you have a management team.
Okay.
Be sure when you're until be fair, one kasa nipa no when come be na oni nyame edi. Do you get it?
Yeah.
One more better than one kasa enemy team in kasa na manager na kasa charge nipa no.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, it's about you.
Yeah.
It's about you. There are some places that you go one kasa you wouldn't feel like we won't charge it.
Okay.
Won't charge it because maybe a relationship won't be more management mmemu. So you have to just do it casually. But ekobasa dia na your management will take charge. But ni nyina ko gina wo nipa ne so any day nyankopon waka show. There are some people more management team yet they don't charge.
Okay.
They also be charging so yeah they are
or charge. All right. That's very nice. I think I've never asked this question when it comes to gospel artists, but I'm Musa for the first time. Celeb be basa or sign, or are you willing to go?
Label no yeah. What do they do? Like what do they stand for?
They are coming to, let's say, Riley, a very nice contract on me coming to promote your songs, taking care of or recordings, going to pay you some amount of money every month, giving you some percentage of the songs you're recorded. Or the other say write music, studio times are being booked, go record.
Until say obi eba nipa no wonon kasa ni interest bi o baby.
Yeah.
But for me, I will ask you what I want to know what you stand for.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not about just being all over the place. But nipa no, is it going the same direction as God has asked you to do? Okay. You only look at the prospects that will come out of it. But the home conditions been attaching it. One show you will not pay attention to it.
Yeah.
When you be about hosono, na wo baby any can say enka wo.
Yeah.
Intini nyina gina you what you stand for as an artist. And the nipa na also coming on board, what do you also stand for? Do you share the same idea? Of course, I'm worry. Our you know where you focus no, but do you have the same interest?
Okay.
If you don't have the same interest, you can't have a successful marriage. Until you say me you're by into agreement, and it's not about me going to the studio to sing. At the end of the day, you pesca. Since can you quiet purpose now, it doesn't really help.
Okay. Yeah. But from what you are saying, it means that if a label is seen and it goes with your purpose too, you surely
I will sign up.
That's very beautiful. Are there been times that while we programs aside say be a album now I call launch sorry no, do you organize event be with your church or maybe your community?
Not yet, but soon.
Yeah. How soon?
Very soon. Very soon.
And then the audience is
yeah, very soon.
Bonti or the indemnity is Bonti my home said more than commodity our casa soon na Bonti will soon it na it be horse say
sometimes you don't have to do things because everybody is doing it.
Yeah.
But if God says it's time, when he gives you the green light, go ahead and do it. So it's soon.
Boy, God will questions, baby, and Sapa. Bontu, my uncle Bontu, maybe he has one or two to say. When we come back from Bonti, I could see the new one near the end of so home common. Bonti, Salomey Nketiah.
Yeah. BBC they say nyame yentimi hu nyame wa hana ya
father bye boy
mama sad boys enyina etu
but so usum nyame a wondi hu ana wonim
usum nyame a wondi hu so
like yeah you are not the lord over your life. So even though I'm in the industry, I'm doing ministry.
Okay.
Do you get it? See, it's not about sikankwa maminya sikankwa na menko. there is a mission, there is an assignment.
Okay.
Nipa na wa fra wa adwuma ni mu no onka se kwa obede obeko.
Okay, so it's a yeah. This is not, the music is not a full-time business for you.
I'm a professional teacher.
Okay.
Me a teacher niya. Me ye medjuma. Nti music, you know, is my ministry. Say emredne se Nyankopon ka se minyai ade kire no. Na me nkoye music nko a, I will stop teaching. I will stop going to the classroom and do my full-time ministry.
Okay.
Right. What is he saying?
Boy, me who's the music na okay.
What the candy up so can.
Me candy am person.
Me
Feel free.
Me wa darom. 1 minute. Che. Nyankopon the talent na my. It's not easy to have a talent too.
Sure.
And then to be able to nurture the talent cry money me druha, to have people to minister to.
Sure.
It's never easy.
Sure.
You know, by when you okay, see in a buy,
sure.
And people are outside also waiting for you.
Sure.
Interview, me baby I'll free I'll buy a day. But
yeah.
Probably you came with a car near the
sure.
Until you invite us a brother show my near sister Salodie or bow and charge it. Nyamia Juma.
Nah, yeah.
So what I say? I feel bones were about or the team nearby you. You are sister Salo, and I want to see you, Yamin Shamo, Moka, Bibiani Ambetianka from Namoko. Seka no more rent. Oh,
that is what that you see. Yeah, per se. I don't know, but like to say they're not okay. Definitely, it comes with a whole lot of cost.
Sure.
And the music in your phone.
Very expensive.
Music in your phone, it is one of the expensive commodity now.
Sure.
Music book cry dancing gold.
Bro.
Oh, like let's be honest.
Yeah, music is very expensive.
Minim say follow. Shatta more that much near that day. Yesterday, do you know what Shatta said on stage?
No.
From now onwards, if you book him and you want him to perform last, he's going to charge you $2 million.
Wow.
Because you can't waste his fans' time. I'm one near my yet. So you see how expensive we are talking about. Anything more to gospel. And trust me, gospel music is one of the music I say gospel is not a genre. Yeah. It's just the message. But one of the songs, it really travels than you think.
Sure.
Internet numbers are something they count. So, and also it take more. You could see some music be on ma. But be alive. Even more administration. So it is very expensive. Yeah. So why don't you guys consider
charging?
Yeah.
But I believe so. Among event organizers, no, so we invite gospel artists. No, they should know better. They should know better. So if some of us decide not to charge, they should know better.
On say, ye didn't come. On say, a baby my one. They be no. Oh, so as a wakwaya diamobi. Be any pany paying mobia or papa be an papa down for be. Oh, yeah, dear man, we are. Instead of say be a baby board, like I said, daddy, and now me money 50 cedis no. Then yes, to say, oh, so who say,
oh
baby, be a man. Honestly, there are people who are not like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Her Oko Dubai, most of their places, Opemsuo or you see, a match home say you need to give what we call tip. I saw tip it. Aside what you are in area, no, account wait and by Genesis Obisau.
The tip away.
You get it? Or my amanaka.
Yeah.
But I have say no. It's like I say, oh, so, and I think I know I did disappointment.
Sorry now. So once I walk asano, you said say you are from Church of Pentecost.
Yes, please.
Honor no different.
How do you scarf woman?
Ubon say, Cecilia na me share Facebook Cecilia no. We have a little over 500 people watching us. Intini share ubon say bi mo ubon say asofofo. Otie ha. Ohun say our numbers. Inti ubon so we show no I reach out to management team near frefre near do aba. For numbers in no offer those one man church from the one man churches ana. Ono kwa na sorry no. Is looking for
numbers
no because when you have the two platforms and no socials now kesa wo ba no ma people would want to join you there.
Definitely.
Omo ba ho no ma offering na beba ni nyina is going directly into their coffers. Now be we no wakotie wano asem free baby say oh ye de nyame se me enye tini agya okwan sa na ugina won ya we bi we say ya na do.
But on say on invite when I say they should know better. O invite nipa no. You should know say nipa no. Say na okan e bi offer car. Obu okra offer flight. Or the team and a buy. Or by that hotel. It be spend a number of days. You should take all that into consideration. So even though the person is not charging you, you should apply some kind of wisdom to it. Now you man
Riley, my last question.
Okay, last one. I mean, Sister Salomey Nketiah.
But you see, on say you share a number to one dia open for a man and member. But of sorry there sometimes women are kept aside kakra. Your mom is then leading your p.
I think it depends on the church.
It depends on church now.
Yeah, it depends on the church.
I had wanted to accept.
And gramophone I actually say ma
okay. So I had wanted to accept what faces are your money be that.
Oh, because me ma sorry am we. And my bibia even preach in my church. Me myself mama kwai I don't kakra ni to me. So you get it handy. As very be any immune church.
Why are they?
I think Adiam didn't be rich. But na mutene can I think Adiam the better gospel for including you being here and say on say as you said, if you are treating this thing as a business, in music booking no, so bookie artists as I see can out any pan if be riders.
Okay.
You are the technical riders and the hospitality riders. Okay. Hospitality riders ni be na abo boss no. Be any pan better hotel obe didi or necrophobe never like just the person's hospitality.
Okay.
And a technical riders near say be out the backing vocalist be air can obe here drama be the kind of sound that open is animal. And I feel like some more list of things like this namo present it kind of make more sense because at the end you are not charging but take care of the costs involved in me coming to support you, then I'll come in.
Sure. It's laudable. It's laudable.
So right from here, just
on the battery by me,
what is on you to Mugra? Okay. But now,
like they should know better. They should know better. Yeah. Until you are so for now, invite you be about sorry. I know they expect to be paid when they go somewhere. Oh. So
some churches, Pentecost churches, exactly.
So we invite you be now about even young cost of money about sorry. I'm sure they expect not to leave empty-handed.
Yeah.
So or they can't buy or be fuel on a car. And even not for anything, fuel the person's car. No, who say just like you said, what taking care of
the cost,
minor expenses na a one even though the person is not charging you.
Yeah. All right. So I suffer for you should know better.
Monfa technical riders, the hospitality riders. All right, that's it for Opemsuo 104.7 FM. And Salomey Nketiah, a gospel musician and an air to train common. Nketiah na we should go with English.
Yeah, English.
All right, here for Mfanche. He's a Nigerian, so it is only right. So at least that's the language he's going to understand.
Yeah.
Big man, welcome to Ghana.
Thank you, sir.
How long have you been here?
This should be my 3 months counting now.
3 months and counting.
Yeah.
All right. What really brought you to Ghana?
Actually, I came because of my brother.
You came because of your brother?
Yeah,
Why?
I came to visit him because it's been like 7 years I've not seen him.
Wow. Why is your brother a Ghanaian?
No.
Oh, okay.
He's from Nigeria.
But he came to work here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I've been like maybe I think 10 years here.
No, okay. You've not seen him. He has been here for 10 years.
Yeah.
But for almost like 7 years you've not seen him. That brought you here.
Yeah.
Wow, that's interesting. Well, personally I met you on TikTok.
Yeah.
And you being around in Ghana for the past 3 months, how has it been for you?
Well, I won't lie. Ghana is a very peaceful country and everything is going well with me. Like, I like the vibe, I like the unity, everything is cool.
What one thing would you say that when you leave Ghana you're really going to miss?
Oh, I won't lie to you. The country is very peaceful.
How peaceful the country is.
Like, you can move around,
Do your own
do your
thing.
thing the way you want to do it. I will not say it's not like Nigeria, but there's things there. Yeah, a lot of things.
All right. Before we go much into what you do and your journey in Ghana now, doing what you do alongside, even though you came to visit, let me ask you: Ghana jollof and Nigeria jollof, which one are you going for?
Oh, I'm going for Ghana jollof.
You are going for the Ghana
Yeah.
jollof. First time I'm at this Nigeria, and you guys will call for Ghana jollof. What's it saying?
Ojuso ebe pamono.
What do you say?
Ojuso ebe pamono. Na o abahanga ojuso ede.
Do you understand what he said?
No.
He means if you had not chosen Ghanaian jollof, we'd have sacked you. That's why you chose it. Or you chose because of what he said, or that's what you prefer?
No, I prefer Ghana jollof.
You prefer Ghana
Yeah.
jollof.
And moreover, I've been hearing about it for a long time, and
Okay.
I wish to test it. And finally, I tested it, man. It's good to go.
It's good.
Yeah.
All right, that's nice. Now you're in Ghana. You are a drummer, right?
Yeah.
What inspired you to take this path as a drummer?
Back in Nigeria,
Okay.
before I traveled, I've always loved entertainment.
Okay.
I do dancing. I also play my drums, church
Yeah.
drums, bowl high life, and everything. So I always put myself anything that concerns music.
Music.
Yeah, I'm always trying to.
But that's
put
this
myself
this
there.
the one that stands out among all the other things you know how to do.
Yeah. The drums, yeah.
All right. You being in Ghana, have you been on shows? Personally, you came to perform on my show, but aside my show, have you been on other programs in the country?
Yeah, I've been to I think 3 or 4 shows.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you remember the name of the places?
Yeah, I can remember Empire Club.
Empire Night Club. Yeah.
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 And
Kase.
Blue Bar.
Blue Bar.
Yeah.
Is it Tech?
No, Ejisu.
Ejoso. Oh yeah, Ejoso. Oh okay.
Yeah, and I've been to SG Mall.
SG Mall.
Yeah.
Last Friday, they had a concert, right?
Yeah.
For Dope Nation. Were you part?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How did it go?
It was very nice.
You being a foreigner, and definitely you can't really speak our language. How are they treating you? Do they treat you in a way that makes you feel like they are cheating you?
No. They always welcome me. Even if they can even speak, or some don't speak English very well.
Okay.
But they will try to, ask someone to
Explain,
enlighten me,
yeah.
Yeah, so they don't be like, oh, it's Nigeria. No. I have not met anyone that like been like, oh, bro, you're from Nigeria. No, I don't want to in Nigeria or anything.
You're
Or
always welcome.
Maybe you don't speak Twi, so I can't talk
Yeah,
with you.
okay.
Yeah,
They always welcome you.
Yeah, they
Alright.
welcome me very well.
You've been here for the past 3 months. Do you intend leaving soon, or the other projects you like to work on before leaving?
Yeah. I have so many things to work on before I will go back.
No, okay. That means you're not going any moment now.
Yes, for now.
Okay, all right. We are heading towards Christmas, and I know definitely you've heard about Dirty December or December in Ghana. Are there other events that are going on within Kumasi, Accra, or anywhere in Ghana which you are being booked on?
Yeah.
All right. Can you take us through some of these events?
Blue Bar.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's
they-
Ejoso.
Yeah, they booked me already. I think next week, 24th.
24th December.
Yeah, and
Okay.
on 27th, I'm
You're coming to my
to-
town.
Yeah,
Madang Mase.
it's gonna go crazy,
Crazy.
Yeah,
That's nice. I hope they are treating you well, as you said.
perfectly well.
Then
Perfectly.
you stay for long.
Oh, I wish because I don't really base even in Nigeria.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I base in Bahrain,
Why is that?
Asia country.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's where I do my stuffs, my drums, my dancing. Yeah, is where I do it.
Would you say coming to Ghana, these things you know how to do is paying enough as compared to where you were?
Why I would say yes is because their currency and our
The
Ghana
Ghana
currency is
currency.
is not the same. You know, yeah. So that one is a little bit high, so I will not compare it. But they are paying me nice here in Ghana. I won't lie to you. Yeah,
that's nice. Bonti is in the house. You've worked with Bonti before, but I don't know if you remember. He was the coordinator for Chilla O'Reilly or say.
Yeah, I know. I remember.
Bonti.
What was it?
Vicky Drums.
Me, the English I can speak small. So,
okay.
Hey, teacher any.
Yesterday, your sister come Ghana, come insult us for here. Era star.
Man,
so
son,
you no go agree. That one aside. Okay, so you said you came to visit your brother here, right?
Yeah.
And then you came with the drums.
Yeah.
That means you came with a purpose.
Yeah, because I'm a musician, so I always go with my equipment. You never can tell, you know. Like now, I'm playing, you know. Yeah. I can't leave my stuffs behind me.
All right. So have you had any joints that officially wants to work with you permanently, or they are all booking you for shows?
Yeah. Emperor said something like keeping me permanently, but I don't really want to be one place because of I'm not staying, you know. I'll be going, so I prefer when you book me and we'll do our stuff. And
all right. So aside the food that you think, our jollof that you think is tasty, you know, are there some things in Ghana that you think it's not making you feel comfortable around here? Is there anything like that?
Nothing.
So you are okay.
Yeah.
I guess
like
they scratch you and they give you.
If I'm to be like, oh, bro, don't come to Bahrain again, just stay for a while. I'll prefer to stay in Ghana.
All right.
Because like the way they were talking about Ghana when I've not been here before, is not what I'm seeing.
No,
the country is very, very peaceful, bro. I won't lie to you. The country is very peaceful. No issue. Nobody's stabbing you. Oh, I lost my phone or this or that, or maybe someone stops you and be like, bro, where are you going to? Can I see your phone? All those stuffs. I've not seen it here in Ghana.
Right. All right. Yeah. You see, and tomorrow go up and come back. I said, okay.
You see, there is this issue between Ghana and Nigeria concerning Dirty December. Have you been in Nigeria to witness how the Dirty December is there around?
No.
You've not witnessed that?
No.
Oh, okay. All right. Then you can't answer this.
All right. If for any Vicky Drums na air train come Abrantia on the training or training firm. We started with him playing some drums through some piano vibes. You didn't come on the music journey. In a casa the casa or Kenya, tintin titi say of Nigeria no Babestra Nebra or Ghana. No by no say Ghana a very peaceful country. So he has made his mind to stay for some time and also have a feel of how Ghana is here. The first Nigerian ever made so I say he's going for Ghanaian jollof. It's like everything Ghana did, this guy is going for, and that's a good thing. Ghana is very peaceful for him, and as you know, Ghana is very peaceful. December here, you see me ekodi bro nyame show. You for be to talk from boko. Insana no manu atobo. Kana utri anu atobo. Eni die mu a yesremo. Na ye hu afefofro yi. Ye nyina enko crossover. Vicky.
Yeah.
Very soon we'll be ending our interview. You've mentioned places you'll be playing this December. That is, you are playing Blue Bar in. Is that the right name?
Yeah,
Blue Bar.
Yeah,
at Ejoso.
Yeah.
And you are playing I Village Lifestyle Lounge in Adangumase.
Yeah.
That is 24th, 27th. Is there any other event you are looking forward to be part of?
Yeah, but like we have not yet finalized on that. So.
Oh, okay. All right.
I won't be like mentioning it because I'm not sure if I'm going to work with them.
All right. There are a lot of people listening to us now, some on Facebook, some are even listening through via their radio. If somebody wants to book you for a program, how do the person get in contact with you?
Oh, I have my manager.
Okay.
Yeah, so through him, you can get to me.
All right. Can we have his number or anything? Or maybe your social media handles so that when we DM you, we could get his number, then reach out.
Okay. I can give you my handle.
Okay.
Yeah, on TikTok, I'm Vicky Man.
Vicky Man.
Yeah.
All right. Can you spell the Vicky for us?
VICKL. VICKL. Sorry.
CKY.
Why?
VICKY.
KY.
Then man, MAN.
MAN, yeah.
All right. So that's on what do you call it? TikTok.
Yeah, on TikTok.
Is it the same on other platforms?
No, on my Instagram is Choosing Boy.
Choosing Boy.
Yeah, CHOSEN.
Okay.
Then boy.
All right. Your last words. Any shout out you would like to give out?
Yeah, I'll tell my fans as they out there, you know, if anything you're doing, you just need to put handwork, like believe in it.
Yeah.
Don't just be like, oh, can this work out for me? Just believe in yourself and keep doing it. Definitely it's going to pay you. Even if it's not paying you at the moment, keep trying.
All right, keep trying. That's by the man they call Vicky Drums on the NNH Train Como. He has upcoming program on the 24th, so he has another one, LI Village at Kumasi, the east side on the 27th. Into Betima join here whilst we go have fun. As I said, the show is fully packed. You try and we're bar. I have another interview for you. But as I said, when I say the show is packed, it's packed. We've been talking about this show for about weeks now. It's not CBI because we told you and we promised you people say baby energy a war a few way Kumase baby energy bia obi an ye betchemu ye bo the road chem literally wise ye be man paying for akasa ba fie ne ye di dwumadie ne ho enkomo because 5 days here when me ana dwumadie no but dwumadie be na meka ho asem Kumase comedy show. The Kumase comedy show, as we told you, will be coming on the 25th. But before bet na fie mama makwaba no about son about na mrantie akesefo miensa na mo masheda mo ba no de ma bebre ba na ebia so yeso no masheda de ba ko na ebe yehi enkomo no mema no mu ndi bi na me ne oba no ko na bedi ba sha mama mu bia kwa aba ai me ne oba ne need mu nka ho mema ne nka ho me ne oba ne need sister mpacha kwa aba
ye nia
na bia boko
Nyankopon do bibia boko
on say mema no manya de
so
since enkomo de man ba fly no so kroma sa hye do mo de oba no ba ko penato so
next time
as a bray as someone anu pacho kama me
I tell you say Opemsuo yeah de enko ebetimi ansa aka aye yi ne de ba
mo pede mo nko am sa be so
so what you say
sa pepe multi
yencha ne o masa kenye san ke be free chebi
men sama kama num ne ofia na de betensem me sa mo akwa ba bi pacho odi
me pacho your friend me Basuba Kwawa. Me pacho do na friend me Miss Basso.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Miss Basso.
Yeah.
All right. I try saying.
Basuba Kwawa. I try say in short, mind your own business.
And then I'll call you mind your own business. So
right.
To mind your own business, be on a
so mind your own business in a short though. So you in long good here.
Thank you, make your pa.
Watch some so call na me that get na di in short in here. Okay.
Rapper number just
Pacho in long.
Bonti ya na show ni bra me so bra be host mama why. In long,
if I'm Kwaku Puppet.
Kwaku Puppet.
Yeah, in long. No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Matu deep. Bapa ina pacha also. Also you made the lana.
So far so good. Maybe I tell you from a high priest.
High priest.
Yes, please.
All right.
What about that command so why for
It's here for Mumba Facebook why Mr. Moa. Mumba Facebook is here Opemsuo already. Riley you're saying.
Okay.
Riley no need. Oh, okay. The way I'm who that's a bit made software man I but the Mokacha no man can say okay.
What can I say?
Or they and toss.
It's so for no a you for you so for I say priest.
No, apart from a grand that was coming.
No. Priest that make a priest crow.
A priest way.
Oh, say you for no traditional
okay,
priest.
okay.
You know, me also for. Some me also for ma traditional.
Nti uche ma me waiting my priest.
Say the Google community. So you traditional.
20 say no man say na fa adwen. Penin for no man say we man fa adwen papa bia kwata se mo. Yeah, and to uncommon.
Oh, it's here for Opemsuo 104.7 FM and then my here bomba meto no. A better in that, but as you know, as I said, the Kumasi comedy show, so your guests are as right as mine. Already we are conversation on the 25th. No, you are not expecting anything less, but serious. Pacho mu be a bit master tia mami. Kumasi comedy show. If you had the who like a bomb dera, and yet a few in kwa. In him said there've been so many years, my year. Yeah, you are paying out to Pantino. If you had it, be a more ya, it's one sem near Bon with the already Macassa bus on the 25th, but we will say him for crying a beige median Kumasi.
Okay, so you bet you phobia now more share on Facebook in us, you bet you more.
Yeah,
near show me some cos 1 tea, no more short. Opemsuo de bia. So Nyame Adoma 25th program no koso Longford Royal Center.
Okay.
Odin ho kwada so.
Okay.
Yeah, dodo na busa so odin ho kwada so ombusa say we here baby Christian service one. Say Odru Star Junction a kwan na da honom Christian service kwan na.
Say they are quite Greek.
Greek na.
Okay.
Honom na Longford Royal Center no. Event center kese pa. Honom na program no. Yeah, na say ekoso honom. Ti baby a program no koso no.
All right, sweetheart, but remember honum. Me when put the name in say me busa mo kra say mo de da so bi. But mo ne ye kra che me say mo so bi. How were you booked to be part of the Kumasi comedy show no? E kwan be kra ne fa so a mo be kan. Is it because say wo content a wo ye na air street no mo frɛ wana say how was it like?
Okay, say Osha yen flyer na media men so.
Yeah.
That is because me a comedian.
Okay.
But I'm part of the crew.
Okay.
Yes, say program no. You be organizing na ebe koso.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. You not being part of it, no. What then? Let me ask this way: how do you people go with when Muchu see the people are say Muputi on the show? Because there are a lot of comedians out there, and meet me says me work. I say for the past few years, comedy show something Ghana for Giatum ye pa. And so what are more procedures are more so edify comedians no?
Okay, so say a share yen comedians no more yen fly on the sona.
Yeah.
Omunyina ye comedians are yenimo mudada.
Okay.
Mechanic say most of them. We have we have a foreigner amongst them.
Okay.
Or Nigerian. Buchilo.
Okay.
Right. Inti omo makano obi amponsa o share ni comedy career say nyenne.
Yeah.
Yenim ne dada. Lawyer inti yenim ne dada. Kweku Forte Ebenezer Jomo come here. Inti no and yes we have a certain criteria they selected
okay.
But then you knew one and a ejuma. Most of them Kumasi ha and almost started but as time went on no they moved to Accra. Inti only ni panidi nkomo na say oya available obemu hu say oya available na ya booking no na waba obi say you know ni Ghana which are flights and waba
Atopa said it the other time you need to train come off phone so
right
brother
boss
but all fly and so be
but you dem fly na chi What's what could I
No crow.
Send me fly. What the
for the Mr. I was in a bay bit my what Mr. But all fly and so
but you
I was
okay, so Kafra, so bobo wasa. Pacha mo fanche host onyensu. Okay, so the attorney say senior yenya ba mind your business kind
in short,
yeah. Minisu be there, but omo so nyina no they qualify to be on a flyer.
yeah.
So I say and now Opemsuo adua nam so me wo so a obi o wo so no so no eni so that's it enti en hye dan ka say chinchina wo de bia bra so no it doesn't work that way
definitely so surprise art
so ebeba so obi o
but you are performing
on say many more also timu sa ko the program on body na no aka many more for no ti do no many more for no beba
now over performing.
Let's say
are you performing on the day?
I said Obusa Black Chevy for someone say alhamdulillah.
Into also what you say?
Inshallah. Okay, so yeah, so we are there, we are performing. So
okay.
It no be or say be no ye best say on mama.
All right. Mostly your comedy shows are you name say said yes srekwa and I can say srekwa like mukoyi semkwa emayasre. I don't want to use the other three word.
Right.
Intino. I know the other hand may do at them.
No. On say we use here. On say the biya ka say. No no use here. What the cobra for a different meaning.
But you see a country into there.
Oh,
I'm fair no.
Yeah.
Why be patch up? I say trouble me hand me akura me. Okay. Then me ask Mr. Me ram and ask papa akura be trouble me. Like mostly as I was saying, yeah, comedy shows are you motivate they call you nice so yeah kwama nkrofo akọ is there any other thing Kumasi comedy show aside the you people mounting the stage to joke for us to laugh?
Oh yeah, so obia waba show pen bia betimi testify say yeah music eka home.
Okay.
So I say I do a third crana your band.
Yeah.
Live band. Yeah, we have Morale.com has been on our show before.
Okay.
So yeah, live band section so that as SG more. Jinya me band so ebebo my. So we live band no near say artists musicians are so there eba be perform on stage. So yeah nyina bi and do maybe so no ma more or less like an interview section with Oliver Kahn. Right, yeah.
Okay, so there is an interview session
yeah, no betna say my need dim komo Oliver Kahn. Yeah, so it means the ship dealer. Yeah. The ship dealer came to our show, passed through until obey the ship dealer 10 hours or obey na. It means say shows na ka say yen shede ni say ni you know. You vary this time around so no. Surprise you na na de be mo. And when say bia the ohu na na ba be hu.
Something
different. Dressing, art, performing, will be different.
Mr. In the middle, as he said, there is going to be a variety of performances in terms of maybe a band, maybe a live band. Dates number 2 senior day, Ghana my muhadi, yeah, you knew Hano, you say 25th day, I can say, you know, it's nephew near Didi, right? What would you say ebe convince you be out if you say 25th that way there many abusuan didi we are yenke humbom ne embra Kumasi comedy show no what is going to be there one thing obetima ka chat for
Riley say we start here okay
yeah
start your show ya
sure
the normal traditional nanke nim to say the okay 25th that day it's nefi na yenko baby but I say dynamics necessary now everybody want to step out because we are outside Aba December in Ghana and 30 December near the other. So this is what we thought up to bring people outside their houses to come and laugh. That we are giving you, your family, friends, buddies, that opportunity to step out. That place, a horn send ho, a ho we ni ho, a horse no man na beka say amakroma basa until no.
Yeah.
They are giving you that space. Come and sit, relax. Let's make you laugh away the stress. Laughter is medicine. Sana doctors for neck. Laugh away the stress. Corporate for no. Omumra MS say be a brand or accumulated the whole year no. Esonte. Obaso obesa said all kind a tight event different varieties of activities now.
Also one thing is also the deep na wo me a na to da me didi am yasuda. So say
na ho chiro.
Unya ba bia anko nti de nante besere.
And one of the concerns that people have always had with stepping out on Xmas, and it's a car home by
exactly. I was going to go there.
Longford, Star Junction, and Ope car also in a day. We see what on my is a walking distance, but taxis will be so go no on my Then we are also making arrangement for buses to be available after the show.
Oh, okay.
Like to take you to the nearest place. I'll wait my car and Santasa Station, Santasa Runabout, any of those places.
So for life,
yes. Tech. That is yes. Because over the years, once I do a year, they are check Kumasi.
Yeah.
I for bare 7 years. In fact, will be any so. I don't lie to you. My coordinator show away from the onset. We've never had anything called profit, never. But every Xmas, some families, some individuals, some corporate guys, munina, ever see it yes, that is why we still do this.
To put smiles on our face.
Simple as
and it's a very beautiful thing. I've been following the show, no, as I said, for the past like 4 years.
Okay. And
every year, he really showed me love. I be on Kai. Babonti me Kai na me school no. I'm telling you guys, I can't share no. And now I had this artist, Kobilex. It's near media at all. So I call ultimate Nana Benny show no so. Interview ni we a PA. On the normal ko interview we dey be kakra dey. Obi am say kakra no. Yes I PA obi aba say a time na doors one. Opeso sade call radio stations be for only me da. Like you see how beautiful, and ever since then I've respected him and I've loved him from afar. It's me who be am kwachiani because of that but he doesn't know. I'm not sure so kind for.
No, yeah, dear. He's just doing it because also that's what I've learned about.
Once from the time Kwame Nkrumah declared independence, I can go Kwame Nkrumah assume said speech no be man no answer sano. No man original speech from that time. Oh, her picture na no original never. Olele original right.
Also it's speech na ga oh here Kwame Nkrumah odikan you know 3 times na the refi dey obeka.
Okay then.
Oh, unti da.
Oh,
actually remember.
Right, me person me tiff.
Oh, na behind the scenes na atopa catch him so Nkrumah be gina no confused no. Ghana, and some of Kokaguna Sumson guys say your beloved country.
And let me refi no. Or Ghana
na so twa so 3.
What's that was otia. To a share children one own into her picture my boys will be chubby. From that time, why papa basin to the ref.
Until because of Papa Nintin in Cosrono.
On some Riley can. Yeah. At what wedding fees. Because Riley Castle school days 10 years ago.
How many years?
Senior, Nami was school level 100 or BMs. Maybe I school 15 years.
I also had a Nkrumah voiceover.
Don't tell what you. They say why Rasta. There's a association boys. I call so. Uncooperative was a cola.
But yeah, can you say, yeah, what to Pabas on the no, yent me enjoy in your bema hype. High priest. Yent me.
It's Riley.
Or no,
my uncle, may you
Pacho, Bema who for your team chance. Yeah, like Danny is one guy. Me who Danny and Chabia, but he's one of the greatest guys at Michigan. Or no, and one guy, Enoch. They are really selfless. And found say Danny bet me I Bibiamawa on Green, like he's that guy. So what I say, he's that guy. Danny is a great person. BBI Danny Netechi. Is one great person.
Yendi Jumadi no come. We have Bren AIP.
Riley.
We have 5 minutes to go.
Okay.
And in the Yembon hotel.
Yes.
Minim say matete mo tickets.
Yeah, that's why and then the program. Riley, what's on the machine?
Pacho I hope.
Okay.
Can you?
So Sebe, what's on the
me pacho me bio mic no.
It's Riley. You know, promo. I buy and then 11:59 p.m.
Yeah, that is me pacho yensi promo no so. Nothing on 100.
Nothing on 150. Yeah, they about 100.
It's no enumre na e. Mama me so my tier for me person munya bi. Me pacho tobo. Mr. A tier for Mr. Tickets na single near 150. Yatete so enumre and the intimate so uti ha nko ade wadaruma. But star 713 star.
Star 713 star.
33 star.
33 star.
070 hash.
070
so
hash.
Wadaruma. Star 713 star.
Star 713 star.
33 star.
33 star.
070 hash.
070 hash.
Na wadaruma wato. Tickets ni BCC na double no so 250.
Yeah, they about 180.
180.
Yes.
Yeah, kasa sisi 180. VIP ni 300. Mo dia ba 250.
Ehona enosi. Group of 5 ni edi can discounted that.
Okay.
Instead of nipa 5 mu tu abe 800 or something.
Yeah. My discount is 600.
Yes.
And VIP
ni dey akese for no na omo mpe no bisa. To ono ne dey yes o magije ndem. Yem specking a table so man nipa 4 into 2000 or no na for no and a family maintenance. Okay. Yeah, more the kinship treatment or that's what we are saying.
All right, that's very beautiful. And chebe sorry so bonti pacho will be.
Me there. Acho me na on say me Twitter boys on. So I used to work with Bellucci.
Yeah.
Until I check way back until me say I don't me message that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And it's always beautiful. So
yeah.
Is that all kind of? And I feel people who judge to be a good soul. So I'm from my home. Who use so I hope baby I
that day they started 6:30. Say be a bit maybe in terms of 25th na ya na do bia.
Yeah.
Kroma baby a person o ko bia. 6:30 they start pak. Abro so about 9 bia they no bia free. And if you want the tickets 0543 21 68 46 0543 21 68 46. If you are now in for short code, then top SM reserve your fair. SM deliver brown, so I'll go need you maybe Eddie.
Oberman Pia. And the same see you medio.
Oh, you might be.
Akobi can now can TikTok. Me who say ampa. Yeah, you saw a smile near Uncle. Any other delivery boys. South morning in a year.
I'm not penning for
South morning in a year.
Riley,
I'm paying for the other domas. Mamma goes with that. So I said, Mikasa and Monkas and I'm okay. And then they may show.
So we are Bayful.
Answer Walker.
Bayful, I'm a new one.
In the 25th, remember, by what's actually. A man for my instance and qua.
Oh, that.
We patch on my minty wa 25th, young idea nature Longsford. Can be shadowful.
Okay. Pacho Opemsuo FM etio for Opemsuo FM ashe for yetun sa for bibia ye promise mo say sane abribia ye no ni oba ye show bia de bia wonim say we give nothing but the best inti ye shemobo say 25th eye bronya da no ya wada edi enim ya upon wa sorry upon ubibia obekobia enwumre 6:30 nonsia abapemu simeduasa for any trip Star Junction uju wa so pe Longford Royal Center nabra afi it was too stressful nieme course wa afi mu edoso eyi so for me aye no chese owo no so doso ebono wa ak aye nyina sasam
on so better after your show no
ye wia
ai better after your show yeah na kasa yani ebo kra fe
de tiani say ebo no kra be ba ye ho ansa
also the arc ne ba ko be ba
nti o wie ya na ya ye
eno sa no be peja na obe so na so
omo ewe a ono de se nyankopon the message ne ba provide
shada ye so be ma ye po aba no woni na di nkomo
so ma ai bantama for ma na rehearse so be made so I want to be a woman.
No matini.
I'm a future
members.
You mean my chiampo?
Yes, sure.
My your mic.
Your mic ni film na men trade na se.
Okay.
And then the enti ameka say in short. Me meka say mu me deck anase money. Say ye kan say baso ba kwa wa ye kire say wo gya wo de ho and I'll become a dear. Obia who was but no a Janet dear ho. No become for dear. Intimate say in short, mind your own business.
and only a sentence crash. Me pato ay yanko.
Me pato any kind of a day. As the nake say mo Opemsuo. Ya papa. So ma kromu ha adwo na afibia o ma. Yanko. Na afibia o ma ay kromu ha ye de. Na yeso ye de abayenim se ba bi o bia wata ye chi eto so ye da chaman ko kas Longford Royal Center ne dia ono aso no Longford City Restaurant ye ne dia da bi also ye se ye da na se pa na last one so me fa nkoma the Ashanti Regional Minister Papa ne ye ko pay courtesy call to him the last time. He's been very supportive. He welcomed us and I'm sure that he'll be there on the day. Yeah. Would have a Ashanti Regional
I'm sure he will be there. He has been very vibrant when it comes to creative art.
Maybe will be a Dr. Frank Mr.
Frank Nketiah.